This is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a private album for your photographs on your Xiaomi phone. And this is somewhat complicated, so you can see I have a private album and I got some photos and stuff in here. So if I go back under the main albums page, all I have to do is swipe on down from the top, and if I can grip it, I can release to open the private folder. So that's how we can get to this, and then we have to type in this password before we can actually use it. There's my private stuff. Now to turn this on, we need to turn on privacy protection, so we can go to settings here. Go down to fingerprints, face data, screen lock. Now I don't think we need a screen lock on here, but we need to go to privacy protection and turn this on. So you'll have to come up with some sort of pattern or password or PIN. And then we have photos right here. And it says you have to swipe down from the top under album to store your photos or view them. So we can just go here and type this in. Here's my private one. Now to move them into the private folder, just go over to, I believe we need to have a new folder, or actually not. We can just go to photos, hold down on it, add to album, private folder, go to OK. Then doing this under photos won't do anything. We need to go to albums, swipe down, release to go to private folder, cancel, enter in your password. And the one I just moved should be in here, I believe. So it should be in the private folder. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.